The National Environment Management Authority (Nema) has dismissed allegations of selective enforcement in its ongoing wetland restoration campaign, insisting that environmental laws apply equally to all offenders regardless of their social status, economic influence, or scale of operation.
You recognize, of course, when you see buildings going down, then all those settlements come up, selective enforcement, this and that. But if those people also were transparent, they could show you the restoration orders that they have got.
The clarification comes amid growing public debate over Nema's nationwide crackdown on wetland encroachment, with some critics accusing the authority of targeting small-scale settlers while sparing factories, industries, and large commercial establishments operating in protected wetlands.
So it is not true that everyone you see must have committed offense by presumption. No. Enforcement is geared towards only those who have breached the law. If you've not breached the law, there is no way enforcement can come to you. So the idea of selective enforcement, in our view, does not arise.
Speaking on the matter, Nema Executive Director Dr. Bayirega Akankwatha emphasized that Uganda's environmental laws provide every citizen with the legal right to challenge environmental violations and hold polluters accountable.
According to the National Environment Act, every Ugandan has locus at law to raise an action against anybody who has breached environmental law. So if somebody has a belief that somebody breached the law and is not being touched, they even also have a right to file a civil suit, because the law grants every citizen locus standi to bring out an environment action.
According to Dr. Bayirega, enforcement actions are guided strictly by the law and evidence of environmental degradation, not by the size or status of the offender. His remarks follow a significant legal victory in which Nema secured a court ruling against Nyanza Textile Industries (NYTIL), resulting in a fine of 180 million Uganda shillings for environmental violations.
You've been asking where are the big fish? NYTIL is a big fish. It is a big fish. It was convicted this very week, and the court fined them 180 million Uganda shillings. So we want to thank the judiciary and our prosecutors and our investigators for effectively and meticulously executing this case. We believe that it will be a good lesson for all our industries to ensure that they respect environment standards as they produce, because we need the industries. We are not witch hunting them, we need them.
He made these remarks while announcing Uganda's national celebrations for World Environment Day, which will be commemorated under the theme Climate Action Begins With You. Act Now. This year's national celebrations will be hosted in Adjuman district in West Nile sub-region.
This day provides us with an opportunity to reflect on the progress we have made in protecting and conserving our environment. It's also an opportunity for us to renew our commitment to environmental stewardship and take practical actions to safeguard our natural resources for present and future generations.
According to Nema, the choice of West Nile reflects the unique environmental pressure facing the region, which hosts one of the largest refugee populations in the country.
It is estimated that over 70% of households in some parts of West Nile depend directly on biomass energy, particularly firewood and charcoal, thereby contributing to deforestation and land degradation, which calls for our immediate and urgent action.
Uganda's wetlands continue to face mounting pressure from illegal settlement, farming activities, industrial development, and infrastructure projects. These fragile ecosystems play a critical role in filtering water, controlling floods, recharging groundwater, storing carbon, and supporting biodiversity. To safeguard these ecological services, Section 55 of the National Environment Act 2019 Cap 181 imposes strict restrictions on activities within wetlands. The law prohibits unauthorized reclamation, construction, drainage, cultivation, or destruction of wetland resources. Offenders convicted of encroaching on gazetted wetlands face severe penalties, including fines of up to 30,000 currency points, approximately 600 million Uganda shillings, imprisonment for up to 12 years, or both. However, before enforcement measures are undertaken, Nema issues restoration orders requiring encroachers to voluntarily vacate wetlands or remove illegal structures within 21 days. The restoration exercise has been ongoing in several areas, including Rubiji, Busabala, and Bugu, where wetlands have experienced significant degradation from human activities. Nema says the restoration campaign is aimed at recovering approximately 4.6% of wetland surface area that has been lost to encroachment. Naguja Serena for NSTV.